In Instagram account, you can add multiple links to promote your other digital links, like website or web store or your other social media profiles. Let's begin the video. Once we open Instagram app in the phone, this is the screen we land on. We need to click the profile image in the bottom of the screen. And again in this screen, we need to click Edit Profile button, which will take us to our profile screen. In this profile page, we can update our web links. We need to click Add Link section. And again in this link screen, we need to click Add External Link. We can add a maximum of 5 web links. In the first field, we can add the URL of the external link, and in the second field, we can add an relatable title. First, I will add my Twitter page link and the title text of the website link in this field. Second, my Facebook page link. Third, I will be adding this YouTube channel link. And next, the fourth, I will add my blog link. And finally, we can add our Facebook profile link as well. If we are already logged into Facebook, it will be added here. And done, you can see all the 5 links, which is the maximum that can be added in Instagram profile below the bio information. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell icon to get video notification whenever we add new content.